Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. RTR Racing, Civil Juice Performance, also Ramirez Twins Racing. Thank you for your time. So here we have a 2000 and whatever it is. It's a newer Chevy Equinox. It's reverse light. I think it's Equinox. So we got a customer with a hit. And there's the damage. Definitely buckled the quarter. Definitely went in.
And
11 Equinox. All right, so not too much structural damage on the no, it's on the door. Yeah, so the dog leg. I love it. I love this. She also needs brakes. So, but anyway, all right. So we're gonna start the usual process of doing this, which is the good old porta power right there. We'll pull it out and so you guys can see it all, and then we'll show you guys how to start putting this back into shape. All right. Thank you for watching. Please come back and catch the next segment. Thank you.